Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caitlin if you're new here, and welcome back to another video. As you can tell, he's here again.
Hey, I'm Brandon. I'm Caitlin's boyfriend.
Okay, so basically in this video, I'm just gonna interrogate him, I guess you can kind of say, so y'all can get to know him and whatnot. Addie, sit down. Okay, so the first question I'm gonna ask, he has no idea what any of these questions are. Some of them I made up, and some of them are people off my Instagram that's asking him questions, so he's getting to it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification get rung
every time I post.
And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see him in more of my videos. We have I think we have 2 videos up, so I will link those. And comment down below any video ideas or a video you want me to do with him, and let's get into this video. So the first question is, when and where did we meet? So when did we meet and where?
Like the Fairhope Pier, that type of meet?
No,
or like
the
at
first
school?
time you have met me. Like,
At school. Like
okay.
that type of
Yeah.
I was a sophomore in high school. In
No,
class.
freshman. I was a sophomore.
Freshman. Oops.
Okay, what was your first impression of me? When you first saw me, what did you think? Was I weird?
Yeah. You were smart.
So was I like weird to you?
Yeah, you was a geek. A nerd.
I'm a nerd.
You were. In school.
That's all? Oh my god. So what's your impression of me now?
You're still geeky.
Where was our first date?
At Fairhope on the pier.
Yeah. I look fat in this video because I'm wearing a big t-shirt and my thighs are so big. Let me see a little up. How long have we been together?
3 years. February.
How long have you known me for?
Like 5.
Yeah, basically. How did you know you fell in love with me?
That lame question. Who asked that?
It doesn't matter.
One of your friends asked that, didn't they?
It doesn't matter who, you have to answer the question.
I mean, we were just friends and cool at first, and then it just happened.
Yeah. You knew me for a long time before.
Yeah.
Yeah. It wasn't just like, oh my god, laid eyes on you and...
It wasn't at first sight.
No. I don't think...
Because we was friends at first.
Yeah. Yeah. We were really good friends. What is my favorite hobby?
Just...
Hey, besides this.
Makeup.
Besides makeup. What do I like to do that involves
Beach.
outside? Yeah.
You love beach. You always trying to go to the beach.
Yeah. Who's my favorite person to watch on YouTube?
Jacqueline.
Okay, yeah. That's my all-time. She's like my all-time. How long do I usually spend at Ulta?
Too long, bro. I'll be ready to go.
What's too long?
Like 2 hours. I'll be ready to go.
Yeah.
I'll be so ready to go.
When he's not with me, I can literally spend easy 3-4 hours in that store. And I literally just make rounds. What is your favorite thing about me? What?
And big ass noggin.
I got a big head. What's your most annoying thing about me?
You complain too much.
I do complain a lot.
Yeah.
Last question. What is your least favorite thing that I do when I put on my makeup?
My least favorite thing that you do when you put on your makeup?
Yeah, like...
Everything. It'd be taking too long.
Okay, besides that, like, I mean, like, do I do my eyeshadow too dark? Or do I do my eyebrows too thick?
No.
Like, there's nothing...
No. Just like a spritz, and then like some mascara and be done. And it should take like 5 minutes.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you hit that subscribe button and that like button and comment down below. And I will see you in my next video.